On the organic flip side, okay, if you use a combination of tilling and plowing, but you're using organic fertilizers, organic pesticides, organic fungicides, they're out there, okay? Then you're still confined to this box of you got to use more material, such as your fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides, to get the same amount of production for your plant. The way that I do it is called no-till, actually. Basically, I'm sheet composting. Okay, what that does is that doesn't destroy the biological life in your soil. It also doesn't destroy the macro life in your soil. Okay, and you need those two things to kind of produce N, P, and K. Nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus. And basically what you do is as you till, you kind of destroy the micrological life in the soil by tilling, okay? A lot of people think, oh, you need to aerate a compost pile. Why doesn't tilling? Because it does the same thing, but you're turning a lot of like the manures and the uncomposted material into your soil, and that robs your soil of nitrogen. Okay, no nitrogen, then no biological life to actually break down what is in the soil. Okay, but you can rebuild that, don't worry. All right, you can rebuild that. So what happens is your plants are kind of robbed of nitrogen, so then you have to add a organic nitrogen fertilizer to bring up the nitrogen so your plants can actually take it up. So now you're still confined to this box of using more fertilizers to get the same production out of your plant. What I do is a sheet composting method, okay? It's a no-till method. And what that does is that relies on the biological life in the soil to break down the mulch layer. Say down here's my soil and here's my mulch layer. Well, this right here underneath my mulch layer, where the soil is actually kind of connected to it, is breaking down, providing me with more N, P, and K. Okay. As that biological life breaks down the wood chips, the manure, and all these other things that I use as mulch, I use whatever I can get, really. Then several macroorganisms, night crawlers, grubs, earthworms, the little roly-poly beetles, you know, they come in and they start breaking down what is being decayed. They eat decayed matter, okay? Night crawlers and earthworms actually have this biological accumulation thingamajigger that goes on. And basically what that means is the stuff that comes out of them is more nutritious than the stuff that comes in them. So it gives me more N, P, and K for my plants, okay? So, which is better? It all depends on what you know. That's it. I will see you later in another video. Oh yeah, I will be back doing my Friday and Saturday videos next week. See you later.